These experiences really are one of the most incredible wild encounters you could ever even hope for in the ocean. And the best part is that it's completely up to them. The awareness and personality of these whales becomes so apparent once you get to spend some time with them. And for me, the most impressive thing about them is they're just so graceful. You might not imagine these massive creatures are so powerful, but underwater, they seem to just glide right by you. And it seems fitting that if there had to be anywhere on Earth as beautiful as they are, it would for sure have to be Tonga. These whales, as with many of us, come to these waters to rest and relax. After one of the most impressive ocean migrations on the planet, something like 6,000 kilometers from Antarctica, they return to Tonga to rest, give birth, and raise their babies until they're strong enough to make the journey all over again. It's during this special time in Tonga that the privilege of a lifetime to briefly and respectfully share space with them exists. These really are more than just whale swims. They're an opportunity to experience Tonga through connection, curiosity, and wonder. So join me for an intimate humpback whale swimming and underwater photography experience designed for small groups and meaningful encounters. Whether you're filming with a GoPro or developing your skills with dedicated camera equipment, we want to explore how to approach underwater storytelling with patience, creativity, and especially respect. Together, we can explore in-water photography and filming techniques, ethical wildlife encounters, composition, and the art of capturing moments that really can never be repeated, only witnessed. No crowded experiences, no performance, just the ocean, light, and time spent in the company of these magnificent whales. Join us in Tonga and discover what waits beneath the surface.